Swollen rivers threatening parts of Italy. The River Arno burst its banks, causing flooding around the Tuscan towns of Pisa and Florence. These aerial pictures show how some homes in the region are completely cut off. More than 1,000 people are caught up, many of them forced to evacuate their homes. For some, it brings back memories of the fatal floods in 1966, which killed more than 30 people and damaged millions of rare books and art masterpieces. The capital, Rome, has also been hit hard, with residents in the north advised not to drive. And the bad weather is also affecting Serbia. Strong winds are forming snowdrifts, resulting in blocked roads, with some facing power cuts. Emergency services remain on high alert in both countries. Mariko Oi, BBC News.